है चैम्स, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑफ यू। मैं आपका दोस्त कीर्ति बोला फिर एक बार आपका स्वागत करता हूं दोस्तों आपके ही चाहिए प्रोग्राम इंस्टाग्राम मास्टरी में। सो यस माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द niche, right? How to select the niche, right? In which niche exactly we can work, and also we're just going to talk about the IG profile, how to create it, what are the benefits of it, right? So all this thing, my friend, we're just going to talk about that right in this video. So let's join me here. Where exactly I just show you here, right, about the niche and all, right? So let me take you the first page. Yes yes friends, the first thing that we have exactly in Instagram mastery. So here we do have what is niche. So first thing, if we just wanted to enter into the Instagram mastery, right? So first thing that we should know, my friend, that is what is niche, right? In simple word, let me tell you, my friends, niche is nothing but the segment, category, right? Or the category that exactly you are working into, or your expertise, right? Even you can call niche is as expertise also, because you're just going to work on that and you're just going to earn just because of that only, my friends, right? So niche is your area of expertise. Here the niche will be the type of content you will be posting. Yes, because here exactly in the Instagram marathon, as it is a part of a digital marketing digital platform. So here exactly you're just going to post the new post on daily basis. So what exactly expertise do you have? Just based on that, what exactly you're just posting on a daily basis, right? So actually the people will know you by your niche only, or the people will know you better by your expertise only. You might have seen few videos the people are making at this moment, right? Just maybe based on the traveling, personal trainer, somewhere on business, somewhere on the motivation. So right, these are nothing but the area of expertise. So on the basis you can prepare, right, your videos, my friends. So that has become your niche only, right? The next, let's explore the type of niche on Instagram in which you will be growing your page. Yes, my friend, definitely. So if you want to grow your page, if you just want to get a more traffic on your Instagram account, my friends, so you'll have to work on the single expertise only, because people will know you by your expertise, because your expertise will only become your niche, my friends. And if you constantly following your niche, my friends, so definitely people will follow you, right? And they will love you, my friend, just because of your expertise only, right? So yes, my fan, now that we are just going to start Instagram mastermind, right? So here exactly we're just going to talk about the what type of niche exactly you can enter into, right? So the first thing, that if you follow this factors, my friend, so definitely, right, if you follow this niche, even, right, if you start your videos with the particular niche, my friend, definitely you can target number of people, not only just in India but across the world, my friends, right? The first thing, that is a personal influencer, right? Yes, my friend, because nowadays, in fact, you might have seen number of videos, number of the platform, video platform, in fact, right? The people actually they become an influencer, right? So nowadays actually people are following to those who are already experts into that niche, right dear? The first thing was the first niche that we just talk about, that is the fitness. Yes, my friend, nowadays you might have seen, right, the people are actually they are following the fitness trainers, fitness expert, my friend. So here exactly the one example I do have, that is Sahil Khan. So you must be aware of him, my friend. He's actually a celebrity as well. He's a personal coach, he's a personal trainer, he's a body coach, right, body trainer. So here you can just see here, my friend, the 3874 posts he had, 10.8 million followers he have, and 266 followings, which is actually on the regular basis, my friends. So India's youth fitness icon, he's actually also known as Indian youth and fitness icon, my friends, right? So the first in India. So you can just see this now, my friends. There is nothing but his bio, right? The first Indian in to sponsors and really click, right? So here he's actually the partner with My Fitness, the Lion Book 2, the Lion Book 247, then Divine Nutrition, then Hunk Water, Biceps India, Biceps, right, Biceps India, when, right? So this is what the lionbook.com. So he's actually well known as India's youth and fitness icon, my friends. So this is actually about, so you can just see his lifestyle, you can see the his posts, right? So all that thing, my friend, that you can see here, right? So this is actually about his lifestyle and all, right, my friends, of Sahil Khan, right? So yeah, my friends, now we'll just talk about fitness. The next is business. So in business, my friend, you can just follow the business icon, right? If I press here business icon, then I'll get a number of people here. Tamil Business Network, we do have a number of suggestions, so that accordingly, my friend, you can go. So which one exactly you want? The business icon Ganesh. Chalo, let's just talk about him, right? It's written in Marathi. मला माझे उद्योग यशस्वी बनायचे पाहिजे. Okay, he wants his business to be succeed, right? Congrats. Okay, no worry. He just mentioned. This is just nothing but example, my fans. But the main thing: 29 posts, 67 followers, right? So you can just check. Actually, we are just looking for the good one here. There are a number of business icon, my fans, in India. So this is just nothing, my fans. This is nothing but the example that you keep, right? You can take, my fans, IIBA, right? And here you can see, right, 26 posts, 558 followers, 409 following. So this is what, when actually somebody wanted to insist the people to join them in exactly on Instagram as well, right? The people actually motivating people to join them online. In fact, they are launching number of courses. If they complete the course, then later immediate basis, in fact, directly immediately they can start earning right from home. So this is actually about the business. In fact, here there are a number of business icon, they come and they launch a business. So all that thing, my friend, that you can do here with the help of Instagram Master, right? The next is the travel. Then I don't want to say more about it, because nowadays, in fact, it becomes actually the industry, I must say, right? It becomes actually great industry in the world now, because nowadays almost the people actually they're looking for to travel. They love travel. The people who are actually traveling lover, right? So they actually follow this page, and definitely fans, here exactly the number of people, the number of the followers actually that goes rising, my friends, in the traveling, because nowadays people they love to travel, right, in a group. So or maybe individually, in fact, the like. So on even you can see the same episode even on Discovery. There are a number of channels, right? So there, in fact, they are promoting the traveling tourism business. So here again you can start working on that. You can start recording your videos, my friend. You can start taking a pics of yourself, and again just pics of your the location, right, all that thing, and you can start, my friend, promoting on your Instagram accounts. So again here, my friend, the people love it. That's the reason people may ask, people may contact you if they want to know more about it, and you can just start your own business like that, right? So this is what the personal influencer, when exactly if you have launched any of it, any niche out of it, right? So definitely people is going to follow you, because these are nothing but the famous and most money making concept or money making niche, my friends, in digital platform, right, or on digital platform, my friends. So next we'll just talk about the niche pages. So niche pages already, my friends, just let me show you few pages like luxury page, right? So here exactly, my friends, I'll just show you the luxury page here. So let me show you here, my friends, luxury lifestyle. So here there are a number of people that love to watch the videos, pages, number of things. See here there are 30 posts, right, and 195,000 followers, 4,428 followings are there. So you can just see, my friends, it will keep growing only there. So right, actually the people love the luxury life. So the people who are actually luxury life lover, so definitely they'll follow you. And if they want to know more about it, in fact here you can promote the product and services which actually relevant to the luxurious life as well, right? So here with the help of this, matter of fact, you can even promote your product as well. So right, the next that is the motivation. I don't know to more about it because daily basis you are getting motivation. The people who all the time they keep sharing motivational quotes or motivating message, people starting following them only because my friend nowadays motivation really that work a lot, right? The next that is the fitness. Only I shared, right? My friend, the next that is the business dogs, right? So again there's the part of what my friends slime likewise. So right, if you create any, if in fact we actually have number of pet lovers on Instagram as well. So you can just see here. So if I mention pet lover, so here with the help of such kind of pages, in fact the people they start searching for the pet mother fans, how cute it is. Can you see this, what size, right? And how really look cute. Wow. So now you can see here 166 posts, 26,000, 26.4 thousand followers, 77 followings. So you can just search my friend, you can just see, because actually as we are into the digital marketing platform, right, or digital platform, so here exactly we should target the people who are actually are into that right there. And through with the help of that you can target them all to like your pages or to like your product and services if you have, or if you already have posted on your account, right? The next my friend which is going to talk about that meme pages, right? So here it consists of the TV shows and a funny content. So here I want to say again that is the TV shows. You might have seen there are a number of TV shows the people they love, right? So if I mention here Mr. Bean show lover, right? So if I mention this Mr. Bean, right, it's Mr. Bean page, right? So you can see it's very old show, right? It's very old my fans, and people in millions actually they have liked their show my fans, right? So here you can just see 1584 posts, 8.7 million followers, then 43 following my fans. Why? Because people want, right, people want now comfort, right? People expect laughing. So this is what again it become the great niche to attract the people, my fans. So here always I already told you exactly we're just going to show you, right, the funny content already that I just told you TV shows and funny content, that's a part of what meme pages. So even people follow that. Now next that is brand pages, Shane and Nike. So if we just talk about my fans, Nike, if you want newcomer, right? So these are nothing but the type of brand my friends, and here you can see 148 posts, 233 million followers, 143 followings. If again one more best example is just if I just wanted to show you here. So this is nothing but, first we'll just talk about this. Here you can just see my friends the type of shoes and all, right, the people, how many people they wear it, and what is their experience or testimonials of that. In fact they must have shared my friends. Now if we just talk about iPhone lover, if I mention here iPhone lover, so now you can just see here it's iPhone lover, right? Now you just see 26 posts, 1979 followers, and 671 following. So now you can just see here available accessories, the mobile phone, right? What about the qualities and all that people can share, and if new any accessories, watches or even such as if it is there, right? So people definitely they will love this, right? Just based on that people in fact they may search for the same product, right? So this will also matter friend that will help you to sell your product, my friends, right? This is nothing but the reason, these are nothing but the way how can you promote your product and services, my friend, on Instagram. And slowly because in the beginning phase you'll have to work so hard your fans, because it is the you is if you share, if you spare more time on Instagram, you will get more and more followers, you will get more and more likes. So definitely my friend, one day when you will have actually in millions of people right as your followers, definitely you can promote your any product and services, and you can expect a result, and directly you can directly expect my friend the monetizing your channel. Yes. So this is nothing but this is nothing but the way, my friend, how can you have your own IG profile, and how exactly to think about all the niche, right, the which niche you should select. So all is all about that. So in the upcoming video will just show, right, which should you which niche exactly you should work, and if you really select any niche, what and how can you create on your own flyer or your own post, my friends, so that easily you can post here on your Instagram account. So you see, yes my friend, this was all about the today's video. I hope you understood and enjoyed. So thanks for being with me here, my friends. See you in the next video. See you soon. I love you. Thank you.